Lagi ang first score na yan.
Oh, mga sigolero, yan. Si Grande. Pasimuno yan palagi, si Grande. Gran. Yung sa camera. Pogi. Yeah! Goryo.
Kaya, di pa nakikita ni Goryo.
Pogi din, Gor. Oh, puta, seryoso. Yan talaga gawin yan. Ito, dyan. Dyan. Yeah, Joel.
Game na ako.
Oh, abnormal talaga yan. Oh, di ba? Okay, dyan. Okay, dyan.
Facebook mo na lang.
Oh, Facebook. Sige. Reynard.
Facebook mo yan. Tanga.
Reynard. Pogi.
Trayo ka pala. Tagal mo mag-ano eh.
Kaya Tantan, nagpe-pray.
Trayo.
Nakapaki.
Tagal mo punta pa ako. Hindi pa trayo pala. Utos ka ngayon.
Sorry sa kuya.
Ano tayo niya na? Putang tagal.
Uy, gago imba.
Jojo kasi, kahit tumawag Jojo. O hindi, sa'yo na rin. Tama to. Abang kumakagat ka, gagawin mo tawag.
Ako?
Sagat ka muna. Huwag
kayo nasa kabaw niya.
Dapat kasama yung dalawang bilog na yan.
Imba, natapong kape. Oh, Nard ah. Kabidyo to.
Wala.
Para man.
Isa.
Jo. Yeah. Good. MST. Tangina.
Tangina nga. Itong styro, ginagawa mo. Sabi mo yung alak mataas.
Puta ka, nakakatawa to sa Facebook, gago, promise. May kinukuha na ako sa dito tao, isang tao lang eh.
Doon, yung nagbibigyo yan, susuka na.
Ulul. Yung gago, yung putang ginigin eh. Singgero yung putang ginigin eh. Singgero! Oh, di ba nakatalig dito? Di ba? Singgero yan. Kakatapos na mag-jingle. Fuck you, man. Reynard. Yeah, what's up?
Oy, man.
I'm alive. I'm alright. Representative of Santolan Street. Get up, make some noise to Tantan. Woo! On my left, also representative of Santolan Street. From Menderes family, John. Yeah. Eh, dyan ah. Puti lang kami ah. Yeah, talk to my bitch, man. Hey. Dito po ah. Yeah. Just harap ng Facebook, man. Harap. Facebook. Tayo email. Email mo. Email.
Hey, look at me the fucking friends.
Just tell them what's your email, you son of a bitch. Email mo. Email mo. Ada tayo sa Facebook, ano ba? Email mo.
When you're 13. Yeah, man.
Okay. Yeah, how about email?
Yeah.
Email. Facebook.
Yeah. Bounce. Oh wait, yo.
Speechless. Bounce. At
you understand this, yeah.
Harap ng Facebook ng Bacha Movie. Okay? Hey. Add me up. Yan po.
Just post my Facebook.
Yeah.
I wanna.
Ano din? The next time you watch a movie, you gonna see some fucking shit, please shop.
Uy.
See that shit? Yeah? See that shit? Yeah? Ano yan? What's that? It's a promoter from sponsor John John. John Famasinan. Yeah. That's the flip top shopper. My uncle Sansan. Yeah, here you go. Yeah. And sponsor him, Homeboy. Homeboy. Reynard. Yeah. What up, man? What up? Yeah. Here's the group of Wasalak. Huh? Yeah, so it comes up.
We are the group. Wasalak group, man.
It's the group of Wasalak, man. Let me introduce you. Jonel, yeah. John Sawat, Grande, Guya, and Jan. Yeah, that's it, John. And oldest cousin, John. Not really. Second only oldest cousin. John. John. Here you go. With a smile.
Hoy, tagay mo!
Here's the promoter. Hey, Joe. So, yeah. Yeah.
Alam mo, madigis man eh.
Still got some wine.
Uy. Basta kisang wine, man. Gago. Jesse, taka ka, boy.
What?
Jesse lang, gago.
Pasok ko kaya sa ito.
Oo.
Joke lang.
Kasing. Sarap ang Facebook, man. What's the next movie? Fuck you all. Fuck you all.